I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Sony WH-CH720N headphones to your phone. First, make sure your headphones have enough battery life. To begin, press and hold the power button on your headphones for about 2 seconds to turn them on. Then, to enter pairing mode, press and hold the power button again for approximately 7 seconds. You will see a blue indicator light flash quickly, indicating they are ready to pair. Now let's prepare your phone. Unlock your smartphone and open the Settings application. Look for the Connected Devices or Bluetooth menu, which is usually found near the top. Tap on it, and then ensure the Bluetooth toggle is switched to the on position. Your phone will automatically start scanning for available Bluetooth devices in the vicinity, including your Sony headphones. Once your phone's Bluetooth is active, you should see WH-CH720N appear in the list of available devices. Simply tap on this name to begin the connection. Your phone might display a pairing request. Just confirm it. After a few moments, you'll hear a voice prompt from your headphones saying Bluetooth connected, confirming a successful link between your Sony headphones and your phone. If you encounter any issues, first ensure your headphones are within about 1 meter of your phone. Sometimes, simply restarting both your phone and your Sony headphones can resolve connection problems. If that doesn't work, try forgetting the device in your phone's Bluetooth settings and then repeating the pairing steps. For more detailed assistance, consult the Sony support website for your specific headphone model.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.